Welcome to DIY Solar Homestead, or Southern Ohio DIY Solar Power. Hello, Jeff.
How you doing?
So Jeff has invited me all the way down here from Lower Michigan to give me some batteries. Isn't that amazing? Everybody subscribe to his channel. When I get home, I will actually put the link down below. But right now, I'm not home. So, thank you, Jeff. Thanks for being amazing. And he's going from Southern Ohio DIY Solar Power. So don't be shocked if he changes, because he's pretty much solar homesteading. And his system is more advanced than mine, so it's not really DIY anymore, is it?
No, I don't guess.
And in the table, he has Tesla 3 cells?
Four good cells and one salvage cell.
Yeah, that's amazing. So I'm nowhere near getting any car batteries for running my house, and that's beautiful. So yeah, so it's been a wonderful place to come out here. And if you don't have Google Maps, you will never find this place. It's out here in the mountains. Holy smokes. And there's a lot of roadway out here that's only one lane. So he's definitely out here in the sticks.
That's the way we wanted it. Yes, sir.
I'm looking for a place in the sticks. I am. Holy smokes. So I'm going to have to make 2 trips probably, because I don't think all this is going to fit in the van. And my tires ain't that great right now, so I'm going to need new tires for another trip, I'm thinking. And I don't know if we're both going to be in this. Thank you, Solar Brother.
Thank you, man.
Thank you.
I appreciate seeing you in person.
Oh.
It's cool.
Yes, it's nice to come out for a collab. I had to see Yankees Outdoor Adventures before I got here. I've been wanting to see him for a year and a half. But you are the reason why I had a collaboration.
No, it's cool. Yeah.
So I could get my setup as awesome as his. So it's a nice... This is a solar barn. See if I can get a... This is his solar barn. And he's got them ventilated, all the batteries. See that thing right there? And you can hear the air conditioner maybe. So it's keeping it cool in there. So everything is running efficient. How does that have to do with the inverters and the batteries, with the air conditioning?
As in...
It keeps them cooler so they run...
Yeah, oh yeah, the air conditioner will keep the batteries cooler, it'll keep the inverter cooler, and it should keep the charge controllers cooler, which expands the life of the charge controllers and inverter.
Oh, I didn't hear that before, so that's cool information. Yeah. Thank you for everything, Jeff.
Oh, thank you.
And have a nice sunny day. You got something to say?
I'm good.
All right.